356, muscle up. You tuned in another edition of my car channel. And man, I'm out here at the Pavilions car show out here in Arizona. This is every Saturday from 4 to 8, and it's packed. This is one of the oldest car shows that's been going on out here. And I've been wanting to go for a while, but I didn't have a car. So I have my car back, so I'm out here. So we're gonna take a stroll. And yeah, the wig splitter Porsche looking good. Looking good, breaking in that cam. You know how we do it. Wide body. Got that wide body. Big turnout out here. 65 fastback. Clean. Clean. Nice paint on this thing. Got the rally stripes. That's a nice thing. It's clean. Take a peek inside. Oh yeah, looks like a old school. Old school. It's got a GTO. Try. Look like it's all original too. Triple carbs. GTOs. Any of you guys GTO fans? You like the GTO? Nice. BMW 2002. On some BBS's. Nice. Momo steering wheel. Nice. Getting in and out over here. There's quite a few cars.
There was a lot of things that I didn't like. Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful, man.
You don't like it, but you just worry about some
427.
Don't let it bother you.
Big boy.
Seriously, just enjoy it. The Corvette people are very anal.
Man. Nice. 427. Big block. Clean Caprice. Man, this thing is sweet. It's got the, oh wow, it's got the factory sticker on here. Santa Ana, California. Wow. That's a clean ass Caprice, you guys. Sick. Man, that thing is right. Thing is right. So here's this. This is I'm not sure. 390 horse. 427 big block. 66 Caprice. Buick Grand National. Got that V6 monster in it. Classic American muscle right here. Clean. Hello. Now this is how I would do my 356. How you doing? This your car? When they redo them like this because they're drivable and you got AC, you got everything, you got the Subaru swap. I mean, this is the ultimate. When I look at like the people doing them, this is how I do one. Yeah. Did you do this yourself or did you get it done in?
I found it like this.
And there's a place in California, I think Vintage, that does it, right?
Vintage, and this is a JPS model.
Okay, JPS model. Okay.
So if you want, you can go to JPS.
Beautiful. JPS. Yeah, this is lovely, man, because when I think about, like, you got the roll-up windows, you got the AC, you got the more horsepower, you can cruise it, you can enjoy the car. It's a classic, you know what I mean? But it's modern.
Yes.
You know, you can actually use the car.
I can drive it.
Yeah.
I'm not struggling.
No, you're not getting beat up with the clutch. Oh, man. You found this like this?
Just the way you see it.
Wow. This thing is clean.
Oh, it's so
Man. This is clean. 916.com to pick up a limited edition GTA poster signed by me for $10, or with your purchase of a Wig Splitter Porsche t-shirt, I'll throw in a free poster signed by me for you. Here, you guys, this thing is nasty. Check out the engine bay up in here. They got the LS, but they got it really clean. And they have, yeah, shaved firewall. They got the plumbing done really nice on here. Got the custom wheels on there. The wheels are nice with the calipers. And it's a stick. Thing is clean. Yeah, he did a good job on this. I like the patina too. Patina's clean. Got a clean patina on it. I would say kind of JDM tuners and mixture of classics and some Euros, BMWs. This is a little bit different from the car show I went to earlier. I got the Camaros, actually, sorry, Firebirds. Can't go wrong with a Firebird. It's clean. Can't go wrong with the Firebirds. Trans Am. Got two of them. This one's for sale. Looking for a Firebird. 480-241-9437. Pick you up a Firebird. Represent. AZ nightlife. The car life out here, car show life. I do a lot of stuff out here in the evenings because it's so hot during the day. Bring your stuff out at night, have some fun. This is kind of a hodgepodge over here of different cars. Look like they got a Trackhawk right here. Nothing super exciting over here, so I'm gonna head back on the Pavilions car show, the rock and roll car show. I'm about to chill by the car. A lot of people coming over here talking about the whip, so I'm gonna go over here and network, politic, you know how we do it. Big Herc 916, muscle up, subscribe, share, like the channel. Let's grow this thing.
Are you tired of smelling funky? Have you lost your ass? Go to BigHurtNow16.com and get to Nutsack Run.